Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome to China Elemit Yoga Singapore. This is Master Amit. Today, our topic is headstand. If you're ready, let's go on your mat. Come on your forearms, keep interlock your fingers, rest your crown of the head slightly on your palms and on the mat. Tuck your toes and engage your core. At the same time, float your legs up. Engage your core to control your upper body. Keep lengthening yourself up and keep less pressure on your neck. Most of the body weight on your forearms. Just slightly bend your knees, be stable. Very good. And start arching your back very gently, no rush. Keep arching very gently, wonderful. Point your toes and stay in the position. Maintain the pose. Amazing. Just stay there as long as you can. Once you're done, you can come back and relax. Thank you.